Welcome back to the channel. It's a World Earthquake Update. A 6.6 magnitude earthquake has occurred in the southern hemisphere, 600 miles off the coast of Tierra del Fuego in Chile and Cape Horn, with an epicenter of 61 degrees south and 56 degrees west, putting it northeast of a small collection of islands just off the coast of Antarctica called the South Shetland Islands, an archipelago. And this earthquake occurred near one of the islands called Elephant Island. Now, this earthquake was very shallow with a 3-mile depth or focus, and within 1 hour of the main shock there was an aftershock of 5.1, basically in the same area. Now, this earthquake is off the coast of Elephant Island, which is in the Drake Passage, which is part of the Scotia Sea, which is part of the larger Southern Ocean, and just off the coast of Antarctica. Now, this area is fascinating for tectonics. The South Shetland Islands are basically straddling this microplate called the Shetland microplate, which is sandwiched and moving in between the Antarctic plate and the South American plate, and the smaller Scotia plate, which is a minor plate, which extends from the southern point of Chile into the Scotia Sea and surrounds the Sandwich Islands. Now, next to the epicenter, there is the Shackleton Fracture Zone, which is a transformed plate boundary which separates the Antarctic plate from the Scotia plate, which to the north of that is the South Shetland Trench or Trough, which is a deep ocean trench and subduction zone where you have the Antarctic plate subducting under this smaller Shetland microplate, which kind of sits on top. And this is sandwiched again in between the Scotia plate to the east and the South American plate to the north. And to the south of the Bransfield Strait and between the South Shetland Islands and Antarctica is the Bransfield Basin, which is a back arc basin and rifting area formed as a byproduct of the subduction mechanism whereby the Antarctic plate is subducting under the Shetland microplate, and this is causing an uprising of magma, causing a rifting basin on the surface. In this case, the ocean floor surface.